Alright, you guys, we're starting off this video with something a little different. So I have my nail here, it's already prepped and ready for gel application. So in this video, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be sculpting a stiletto nail using nail forms and also using builder gel in a bottle. You guys know I've used like the Light Elegance Jimmy Gel, but I never use gel polish in a bottle to sculpt out long stiletto nails. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So as you guys can see here, I measured out where I needed to cut the nail form so it can fit my thumb a little bit better. And I'm going to apply the nail form onto my thumb. If you guys watched any of my previous videos where I did use nail forms before, you know that I have like really clammy hands, so sometimes the form fits on there properly and sometimes it doesn't, but today I got it on there pretty good. This is how it looks after I'm done fitting the form. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some Light Elegance Vita Prime, and I'm going to use that to obviously prime my nail. So I'm just going to let that kind of separate, and yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the Light Elegance tack, and I'm going to apply that on this nail and then give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And once my nail is done curing, I'm going to go ahead and sculpt out my nail using the Light Elegance Jimmy Gel. As you guys can see here, I had way too much. So I'm going to put that back into the jar and just wipe off that brush. And then I'm going to proceed to just do the outline. I'm not building up the nail with the Light Elegance Jimmy Gel. I just want it to kind of build out my nails so that I can take the nail form off, and then I can get on to using whatever color or, you know, whatever other gel I want to use in this video. So that's what we're doing now, and you guys will see that here. And I'm sorry, like, I tried, but it's, you know, it's clear gel on a nail form, so you guys aren't going to see exactly how it looks like until I take it off. So once I'm done applying it, I will give it a cure in my light for 60 seconds. And now that that nail is all cured, I'm going to go ahead and take off the nail form. You're going to want to pinch it, and then you're going to want to pull down so you don't break the extension that you just put on. This extension is very, very thin and very brittle. I did not build up this nail as I said previously, so this is what we got. This is what we're working with. So now we're going to get into the Luminary nail systems. This is my review and first impressions. I ordered the Faith collection, and that comes with the top coat and the Faith in the bottle, and it comes with the Faith in the gel pod. So I'm really happy that I picked that up. And look at how pretty this is, guys. Like, their system is beautiful to me. Very pretty. And I also picked up some other colors. So I picked up Growth and I picked up Presence, I think it's called. So yeah, we're going to get a closer look at all of these beautiful builder gels in a bottle and the top coat as well too. So yeah. So we're going to start with Empower, and this is the top coat. And I just wanted to show you guys this gel. It's really thin. It is a top coat, so it's not going to be used to actually build out an extension or anything like that. So that's what that is. And the next we have Faith. This is what I use to actually build up my nails, as you guys can see in the video here. This is a really beautiful color, and I think it's perfect for my melanin girls, you know, but I think it would look really pretty on all skin tones, honestly. Like, I would use this on my clients, so very beautiful. And next we have Presence, and this is a white, so it's like a milky white color, and it's a builder gel consistency, and these gels are pretty thin in viscosity compared to like the Light Elegance one step. They're a little bit thinner than that, so that's something to keep in mind if you guys ever use that. And the last color I have is Growth. This is really pretty, and I think that this one would better suit lighter skin tones, but I think that, you know, someone with my skin tone can get away with wearing it. It is very beautiful and really soft pink. And then we have the Faith in the pods, and I just wanted to show you guys what the viscosity of the gel actually is. So my room temperature in my nail studio was about 68 degrees, and as you guys can see, it is a little runny. So it makes it really kind of hard to apply on your nail. So you only do one nail at a time, definitely, and you'll save yourself. Unless your studio is colder or if it's cold outside, and then it'll be like a little bit thicker viscosity. So here's my thumb. And once again, we're going to start with the Faith in the builder gel in the bottle. And so I wanted to build up this extension using the builder gel in the bottle instead of using the gel pod, because honestly, that's what I'm used to. I'm used to using gel in a gel pod to build up my extensions. So this was a little difficult for me. It was honestly my first time building out a nail using builder gel in a bottle. I did find it a little bit tedious and a little hard for me to do it, but I did it with all 10 of my fingers. Like, I really wanted to challenge myself in that way. So as you guys will see, my application isn't the best, but I made it there in the end. My apex is in the right spot, and my nail is well balanced, and it looks beautiful. So I'm not mad at it. The process took me a little bit longer, but I strongly believe the more you do something, the better you get at it. So this is my first time ever sculpting using builder gel in the bottle, so I think I nailed it. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you think. So that's my first coat. I'm going to cure that in my light for 60 seconds, and now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to build up my apex on this nail so that my nail is balanced. I obviously put too much gel on the nail. Like, I was supposed to do a slip layer and then go back in the bottle, grab some more, and, you know, do the rest. But, you know, mistakes happen. I really want to know what tips that you guys have if you love using builder gel in a bottle. What do you see in this video that I could have did better? Because I am curious to know what I could have done better. I tip my hat to everybody that uses builder gel in a bottle. It's very hard. I think it will be easier to just like pour it out and use your gel brush and then build your nail properly, like how I'm used to doing. So this is the nail. As you can see, it's well balanced and it is somewhat beautiful. Obviously, I haven't shaped it or filed it yet, so I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to file it down, kind of balance out my nail a little bit, and I will come back to you guys. So this is my nail after I filed and buffed it. As you can see, it's still well balanced. I do have some shadowing, and I think that I built my Jimmy Gel layer up a little bit too high on the shadowing parts, but I think it's beautiful. This color is so beautiful on me. I really love it. So I'm going to do the rest on all my other fingers, and you guys will see that. So here's my left hand. It looks like a freaking nightmare, but hey, we got there. And here's my right hand. For some odd reason, it looks way better than my left hand, but stop judging me. That's what happened. So this is everything after I filed, shaped, and buffed it. Just really beautiful. So now we're going to get into the vintage rose design. I really love how this came out, you guys. So we're going to start with my Glitter Planet UK's gel brush. This is the number 8. And we're going to start with Show Me Your Chakra, the Light Elegance Buttercreams. I'm going to be applying that on my pointer finger and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my nail glue and some foil, and I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger. So I'm just going to apply the glue, wait till it dries down, and then apply the foil. If I have to give anybody pointers or tips, make sure if you're using this glue not to like put brush strokes in it, like streaks. I don't know, it shows up in the, you know, the foil. Like once you transfer the foil, it shows up. If you're doing like a full nail like this, make sure you're being careful with that, because I was not that careful, but you can't really tell, so it doesn't matter. And now I'm going to go with Cheers from Down Under. Look at how beautiful this color is. I'm going to be applying this on my middle finger, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same glitter gel, Cheers from Down Under, and I'm going to apply a second layer of that gel. I just didn't want it to be too bulky, and I thought it looked better with a second coat, so I'm going ahead and apply that, and then curing it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with the Gel Bottle Inks Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to be applying this on my pinky, my ring finger, and my thumb, and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with my E-Nail Couture Super Shiny. I'm going to be applying this on my middle finger and my pointer finger, and then giving everything a cure in my light for a full 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.